Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on taroAds. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in taroads.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for taroAds. In order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the login portal. Now simply type in your email address followed by your account password. Make sure you uncheck the box which says remember me if you're using a public device to log into your account. Now finally click on the login button and now you will be logged into your account with taroAds. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on taroAds. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.